We're here at 2-3 Knightsbridge Drive in Forrest Hill.
And what we've got is a beautifully presented 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. My name's Hannah, this is David. Let's go take a look. This home has a beautiful open plan kitchen, a very versatile layout and set in sought after school zoning. This home is one you won't want to miss.
When you step through the double glazed bifold doors, you'll find an entertainer's haven. North facing with a large deck, what more could you ask for?